Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Nurul again, and today we are going to continue with Starter Unit Lesson number 5, page 8 in your textbook. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to describe things using basic adjectives and adverbs of degree. Alright, so we are going to start with basic adjectives. So basic adjectives are words used to describe nouns. Okay, I think you already know. Nouns are things, people, animals, and places like that. Alright, so we are going to look into some examples after this so you know how to use basic adjectives with nouns. Alright, so the first example, can you guess what is this? Right, it's a bag, so it's a noun. It's a bag, okay? New bag, old bag. Can you guess what is the meaning of new? By looking at the picture? Very good. What about old? Okay, now the second example, fast car, slow car. So car is the noun, fast is the basic adjectives, slow is the basic adjectives. Guess what it means by looking at the picture. Alright, now the third example, good apple, bad apple. So good means, I think you can guess by looking at the picture, right? Okay. Big teddy bear, small teddy bear. Okay, big and small. Big is the basic adjectives. Small is also the basic adjectives. Alright, next example, expensive ring, cheap ring. Expensive means it costs you a lot of money, while cheap, not really expensive. Okay, so now let's look into adverb of degree. So adverb of degree tells us about the intensity of something. It is placed before the adjectives. We are going to look into some examples after this on how to use adverb of degree. Alright, so for example, the car. You want to tell someone how fast is the car, so you use adverb of degree. The car is very slightly fast. Okay, very slightly fast. The car is not very, or the car is slightly fast, only slightly fast. Alright, and then the car is quite fast. Okay, quite fast. And then the car is very, or the car is really fast. Okay, the car is very, or the car is really fast. Last one is the car is extremely fast. Okay, do you think you can guess the meaning of all this adverb of degrees? You can look at the one with the color just now, yeah? Okay, so remember, adverb of degree is always placed before the adjectives in a sentence, alright? So now, do you think you can understand, or do you think you can use adverb of degree with adjectives in a sentence? If you're still confused, you can go back to the example that I gave you just now and try to understand. Okay, but if you already can, then it's time for your task of the day. Okay, so our task today will not be in your textbook, yeah? Will be in this slide. Okay, so it's your time to write. Write 5 sentences for every picture using adverb of degree based on the pictures and adjectives given. I'm going to give you some pictures and the adjectives for you to use together with the picture. For example, the car. The adjective is fast, so you can write the car is very slightly fast, the car is not very, or the car is slightly fast, the car is quite fast, the car is very or really fast, and the car is extremely fast. You can look at these examples. Alright, so the first picture, the subject is the singer. Okay, the adjective is popular. Popular means terkenal. Alright, so you write the sentences. The second one is the jacket. The subject is the jacket. The adjective is cheap. Cheap means murah. Okay, cheap means murah. And then the third one is the book. The subject is the book, and the adjective that you're going to use in this one is new. New means baru. Okay, baru. Okay, you might want to stop or pause the video for each picture for you to take time to write the sentences in your exercise book. Alright? Okay, everybody, I think that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you. I will see you again in our next lesson, and until then, take care, stay safe. Goodbye.